Right, so what we're doing here today is replacing the steering arm boots. So this vehicle is 20 years old, and we found one of them broken, and so we're actually we've actually done one, we're doing the other side today. Here's the boot. This one's not broken yet, but they are very fragile. We found on the other side, so we're going to replace. Since we bought two, we're going to do both. Now the biggest thing here is they take the knuckle off here. That's easy enough done. And to get the boot all the way over, basically we need to take all of this off. So the first thing we're going to do is mark it, because we don't want to do a wheel alignment. So put 2 marks on there. Here's what I do is mark where it's up to. Not where it's up to. Now we see what can wind right back up to that. When we come to do it. So it'll be exactly in the same place, so the steering will be still aligned. Just tap that on the top of that. Go. Right, this is trouble. Can't you go left? Nope. Okay, we're going to have to hold it there for a spinner, and I have to. Perfect, easy done. Here's the new boat. It's only got zip ties as the clips, but it's all right. There's no way you can actually put this on with the nut or the arm on, so you really have to take those off. It just makes the job easy. Right, okay, stick the so what we did in the end on this one is where I actually slipped around the whole boot first and then slipped the whole thing on. It was loose, and then I pulled it up tight, so it helped that. Okay. Got these two at the top. Should be able to wind this nut back on. Yeah, very little problem. Now I can see that where I did a mark, and these two are here, so that's good. Pretty much it. Except I'll a little bit wind this on. Then we should be able to wind. Yep. That needs to line up with that. We just need to pull this nut back and tighten it up, that's all. Here we go. Everything's lined back up. These lines with that, and it's right where I was, so that's perfectly back in a line. Now, push this up. Swap that to that. Done?
Done.
Wheel back on.